Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. There's one of my work areas where I make some fire, and the building that Helene almost knocked over a year ago, and we've still got plenty of snow on the ground. Have you been watching Dalem Gumino's videos where he's using fallen trees as a fireboard for bow drill? I definitely cannot recreate that, but I can show you this technique that I haven't shown in a long time. There's a good fireboard right there. This piece of bark right here will make a great fireboard. We'll use that spalted oak spindle on it. Let me show you. All right, spalted oak spindle, and I put a point back on the bearing block end, and we'll use this divot right here. This fatwood bearing block, and I need to get some of these high places off of here without breaking the bark. Let's see how that goes. All right, and I think that I want to make my divot and notch right here. Let's see what that feels like. Already getting warm. Let's see if that'll work right there. Let me take my jacket off. It's probably about 37, 38 degrees out here. Let's see how the burn end goes. All right. Ooh, my bowstring is too tight. Let's loosen it up a 1/4 inch. Right there. That's better. Let's see what we can do for the burn in. Wore my bearing block tip off. Got a good burn in on the bark. I hope that's focusing because I'm using the front facing camera. So I'm thinking I'm getting some good close-ups. I did not mean to make such a wide notch. Let's see what happens. Let's go with that. Give it 1 to 2 minutes to coalesce. That bearing block end still wore down a good bit. This end must be soft. And fireboard turned out great, didn't it? All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.
We'll catch you on the next one.
We'll catch you on the next one.